I heard that you went up in your benchmarking yesterday, didn't you? And what level did you get to?
Gold.
Gold. Oh my goodness, that's amazing. So, because you got up to gold, you've got a special certificate that's just for you, congratulating you on getting to gold level, that you can take home and show your mum and daddy. Well done.
Lovely manners.
You've done really, really well. How many people do we have on gold?
Very few.
There you go. You're one of the first children in year 2 to be on gold. How amazing is that? Well done. Superstar. Okay, do you want to show me how well you read then? You have a look at your books. What's your book called?
Open
Wide Wilson. Why did you choose this book?
because it looks funny.
It looked funny. And why? What made you think it was funny? What did you see on there that made you laugh?
So they're all going to eat and they're happy.
They're all get eaten, but they look happy. That's really funny. Well done. No, let's try again. So let's sound it out. So. That's it. Blend it together. Say it again. No. So it's pulleys. Pulleys. Say it again. Good boy. Carry on. Good boy. Well done. So this is that word again. Can you remember what it is? And this is going to tell you what they are.
What is a
Good boy. Well done. Off you go.
pen?
Well done. Okay. Let's just read this page here.
A pen is made up of a needle and a rubber.
Can you say that again? And let's sound it out. Okay, so when you've got the A and the E, that's your split digraph, isn't it? So it makes the A sound. So can you sound that out again for me?
A table
Well done.
or chair. Table
Well done.
or chain. It slits.
Say that one again.
It slits
Good boy.
into the if heavy things need to be moved, they can be attached
Well done.
to heavy things.
Well done. Good boy. You had some really tricky there, didn't you? Okay, there were 2 words I had to write down, which I've written in your reading record. So you're going to practice these ones at home. So can you remember what they are? What's this one? And good boy. Well done. That was super reading. What page are you on next?
Page.
Good boy, thank you. So super reading and lovely sounding out. Well done. All right. Okay, off you go.